Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to automatically edit your videos on your GoPro Lit Hero using Quick App. If you'd like to automatically edit the videos that you have, you can do it with the Quick App and it'll do it automatically. You just need to go to Media. Once you have the video downloaded from your camera, then select the video that you'd like to be automatically edited, then select Auto Edit. Now it'll start detecting everything and you'll see that the edit is almost done. I'll lower the volume of the music because I don't really want that to be high. But as you can see, this is the edit that was done automatically. You can of course change the name of the edit or edit it further manually. As you can see, it does everything here. So that is basically what it looks like. It does all the editing for you. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.